good day, everyone. We are the Group 1 Team Kudik. We will be discussing about Module 7, the results of vision of political change in the scenario of the role of education. So, by the way, I am Bilin A. Aquino.
And I am Raibla A. Bandola.
And I am Richelyn Awit.
And last, I am J. Mark Bansag.
So, how's results views on education and knowledge might have influenced his action? So Rizal believed that education and knowledge were powerful tools for change. He thought that by educating people, especially the youth, about their rights and their history, they could understand the injustices happening around them and work to improve the society. This influenced actions because he influenced his actions because he dedicated his life to teaching and writing to spread awareness about the Philippines situation under Spanish rule. So, next.
So the next is the Rizal Jose views of education. As a catalyst for a change, Jose Rizal influenced his actions in several ways. Firstly, he advocated for a establish of the schools and educational institutions that would provide quality of education to Filipinos. He believed that education should be accessible to all, regardless of social status or gender, that this group, through these educations and influence, could lead the way to progress and reform. And the second one is he used his knowledge and education to expose the injustice and abuses of authority of the Spanish colonial system. Through his novels No Limitang Here and El Filibusterismo, these two novels, Rizal shed a light on the oppressive condition under the Spanish rule and called for reforms. He believed that through his writing, pinapakita niya ang tunay na kalagayan ng mga Pilipino sa panahon ng Kastila. At inaasahan niya na sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga nobela ay magiging mamulat ang mga tao para ipaglaban ang kanilang mga karapatan. Thank you. Next.
Naglag. So, good afternoon, everyone. As I heard earlier, Ms. Robelin and Raiza have been given a lot of views and ideas. So, for me, I just want to give some short description about the views of Rizal in education and how they shape his action. So, Rizal was very advocate in education. If jud nag education is si Rizal is very gud siya, nag-focus gud siya sa education because since atong bata pa siya and now and when nag-drive siya sa iyang life is grabe jud ang iyang focus about education. So he believed rather that education is very important, especially to us in the future dapat natay kuan sa education because sa una mga ng mga panahon there are some people nga mga uneducated. So the time of Rizal diri sa Pilipinas na siya mga kanang mga perceptions o mga insights sa mga people nga mga uneducated. That's why iyang gusto nga each individual must be educated because sa iyang pag example nagrachag mga No Limitanger mga novels, so iyang represent dito ug unsa ka importante ang education for our future generation. And that would be all. Thank you. Next.
Okay, Rizal's views in education and knowledge deeply influenced his actions because he believed that education was a powerful tool. So, may man nato na kuan gyud kanang very important kinang education sa panahon na kuan before. So he understood the importance of providing access to education for all, as empowers people to think critically, challenge oppressive systems, and work towards social change. Rizal's own experiences as a student and teacher fueled his passion for education, driving him to establish schools and advocate for educational opportunities. His belief in the transformative powers of education humanized his actions as he sought to uplift and empower his fellow Filipinos through knowledge and learning. That's all.
So next, let's proceed to the next question. How Rizal's enduring understanding of political philosophy played a role in his action? So Rizal's enduring understanding of political philosophy influenced his action because he believed in the power of education, freedom, and unity. He fought for the rights and dignity of his people through his writings and action. Rizal ideas inspired many Filipinos to stand up and work towards the better future. So, next.
Okay, next, Rizal enduring understanding of political philosophy also play a significant role in his actions. He studied the works of Enlightenment thinkers and was influenced by their ideas of individual liberty and equality. His belief in the transformative power of education on his understanding of political philosophy inspire him to use his knowledge and writing to expose injustice and advocate for the reform and work towards the free and independent Philippines. That's all. Thank you. Next.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Rizal, enduring understanding of political philosophy, as they said earlier, that Rizal was a very critical thinker, and Rizal was fight for the human rights and freedom and for the equality of a people. For example, so when he wrote novel El Filibusterismo, so na appeal dito ang mga political commentaries that he revealed the during the time of colonialism, that during sa time ato sa Pilipinas nga, if we talk about the political, wala tay ka power because we are colonized. So Sir Rizal wrote and he revealed to his novel the political commentaries before his time during in the Philippines. So I think Rizal fight for the human rights and freedom through the political philosophy. That's all. Thank you. Next.
Okay, Rizal during the political philosophy, makuan gid nato na kuan gid siya kanang important gid ang rule niya sa kuan sa pagkuan sa political philosophy. So he believed in the principles of democracy, human rights, and the rule of law, which humanized his action as he fought against oppressive systems katong sa mga Espanyol. Rizal's deep conviction in these ideals inspired him to expose the injustices of the Spanish colonial government and the Catholic Church through his writings. Tuma No Limit Tangere, El Filibusterismo, and moreover, he actively participated in organizations and movements that aimed to bring about political and social reforms, demonstrating his commitment to creating a more just and equitable society for the Filipino people. And that's all. Thank you.
And that's all for the Module 7, which is the result vision of political change in the scenario of the role of education. That's all.